So me know me leave it hard. Me know me leave it hard. Now me know me leave it hard. Hard it, hard it, hard. Me know me leave it hard. Me know me leave it hard. Yes, me know me leave it hard. Hard it, hard it, hard. Me reach halfway and me not turn back. No feud promise me all gunshot, don't chat. No say me leave it hard. Hard it, hard it, hard. Enough time me feel if me heart a beat. More time me can't even touch the street. Rain a fall, the house a leak. Hard it, hard it, hard. Got enough time me can't even hold a seat. No food we eat, no bed we sleep. Me have a one girl a cheat. Hard it, hard it, hard. So me know me leave it hard. Me know me leave it hard. Now me know me leave it hard. Hard it, hard it, hard. Me know me leave it hard. Me know me leave it hard.
Greetings to everybody worldwide tuning in to Yard Pree TV. Today we have a special guest, a man that recently went viral on TikTok, not for his song alone, but also for his unfortunate situation of becoming blind. We introduce to you today a great Jamaican recording artist by the name of Culture Hero. Wagwan Culture Hero.
Yeah, it's a blessing, you know. It's a joy to be here, you know. It's blessed TV station, Master. Give thanks. Find Culture Hero, man. Do a good thing, you know. Give thanks, my brother.
Yeah, man, and give thanks to your presence, you see me?
Yes,
as the world been asking about you, you know?
Yeah, man, I'm here, man, presently, man.
Same.
I'm here for the world to see I. Here, Rasta. Blessings.
Which is right.
Yeah, man.
So, Culture Hero, where in Jamaica are you originally from?
I'm originally from St. Elizabeth, you know. Born and raised in St. Elizabeth, a little place they call Malvern. Smithfield, you know. That's where I'm from. Yeah. Listen, we have all the animals, them, all the farming and, you know, the birds, the bees, you know. Yeah. We have them things that we take care of when we are youth to grow. Yeah, man. So it's never really the easiest thing, you know, because we are youth at the age of 10, 11, at 25, we go to. We have cow to feed, we have donkey, we have fowl, we have bush we go, we have to walk 2 miles. You see, we have to go bush. I have to go for water 2 miles. You know what I mean? I have to go to school at morning time. You see me, I say, I know my family, I have them look outside kitchen when they cook them food and things. I have to look them stick for them all. You see me, I say, when they get to cook them food. You know, look where they. Yeah, so it's never so easy, you know, so I'm not getting a good schooling and them look thing there. You know what I mean? It's very hard, my friend. Never easy. So at the age of 15, I have to leave now, come to Kingston. Start learning a little trade and start learning the mason work and, you know. By the time I reach 30-year-old now, I realize something
so hold on. So you said from the age of 11, growing up in St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Where's the place name? Malvern?
Malvern.
Yeah. You had it rough. You grew up with both parents? Or?
Yeah, I grew up with both parents, but I leave there when I was 15. Yeah.
No, when I reached there yet.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Yeah.
So you had both parents.
Yes, man.
So some of the ways where you have it rough, you have to do farming and them thing there?
Farming, to eat, you know. Because the money not dead, they have to survive half of the farming. So if they don't sell a bag of peanut or a bag of carrot, the money not dead. You know?
So you used to participate in growing things as
so
well?
when we go to school now, you used to have to ask them for free lunch and things. You know?
Which school you attended by?
Bethlehem All-Age School. Big up to Mr. Folks, principal, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that was during which age?
At the age of 14, 10.
So right. From about 11
yeah.
to about 15, can you say you moved to Kingston
yeah,
15,
man, from
right?
the age of 15 I leave.
Okay.
I go to school from a 2-year-old, you know. Yeah. And the time we have infant 1 and infant 2 and infant 3. I will move to grade 1, grade 2, right to 9, you see me?
Yeah.
So I have a good little time in a school, but I just never go right. The way I'm supposed to go because of the farm and you have to do a lot of things, you have to, a lot of hard work.
Yeah.
As a youth, you know, so it's kind of struggling for me. Hard to learn, you know.
Yeah.
So I come to town and learn a trade. And it did a work for me. You see what I say?
What kind of trade you learn?
Mason, construction,
Construction. Okay.
carpenter work, steel
So
work.
you just stayed a relative when you come to town, like, what was your transition
I used to stay
from?
with a relative first and used to stay with my brother. Big up to Billy, you know. Yeah, man, I used to stay with my brother and thing and so till me left. This one, I'm get caught up with a baby man at the age of 17, get a youth.
Yeah, oh, okay. So
Yeah.
you're the bad man. You're 17.
Yeah, at the age of 17.
Yeah.
I'm look at first props that, you know. Just I get
yeah,
to know what
seven-
is, you know.
Where you go
Yeah.
bad, 17?
First time a youth man, 17-year-old, you see me.
Oh, you get a son first or
Daughter, you know.
Daughter.
A 30-year-old now, you see me. Yeah. She did it with me right too. Never give up. Big up to Tamara. Nikki blessings, you know. Crystal, Selena and Papi. Know what the thing going on. Enough love me, baby. Yeah,
Okay.
man.
So from the age of 15 to 17, you do the trade work?
Yeah, from the age of 15 to 32.
Yeah,
I do it.
yeah, do it.
When
But
I-
we not reach 32 yet.
Yeah.
Can we reach 15 to 17? I do it in a stages.
All right.
Right?
From 17
Yeah.
to 32, I do me some work.
Okay. So
Within-
all right.
Within
So
them time there.
when at what age you discover you had the talent for music?
2006.
2006.
Yeah, discover some music, the
All right.
passion. You know. I'm a father a singer, you know. Yeah, man, my mother sing with my father too. My band comes to my father, even guitar and you know, could drum in and, you know, and you could tambourine and you could something like so. We used to there on him and sing with him and you know, could gospel and thing. So, I did have a touch from a tender age, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Most of me didn't take it that serious. So till 2006, yeah. We
But-
did the first song.
But
And
when
play it in our dance and it was the place.
so on, but when you were growing up, like from the ages 11 to becoming a teenager,
Yeah.
you never had no musical influences them time?
No,
there?
them time, I've never have that in mind.
Okay.
Because it was so rough and difficult, you know. A lot of things are run through my mind, you see me, I say.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I get a little chance to come at town, I just take it. Because just to buy the work at work and, you know. Yeah. I have to take it and come at town, come learn the trade and thing. And the work. I learn the mason work, the carpenter work, the steel work, and I learn to do the drying and, you know. Yeah, I could have done and I get my own little contract and them little thing there. Yeah,
Okay.
man.
And this was before you became blind.
Them used to ride my bike and then I could thing and have my little shop and so I never work list, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I never work list, man. I do my thing. I'm a little one room board house and well set, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
With the baby mother.
With my baby mother and thing, you see me? I say, the thing did alright. I have a little thing to my comfort, you know?
Yeah.
So I see it reach to a point like this now, you know? Yeah, it's like, I give up there on my mind, I mean, I say, I ask Father for the last resort that time.
So
Father, I
hold
say, no.
on. You move too fast,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, man.
So you got your first child at 17,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
How many children you have, by the way?
6 children,
What? Six
Yeah.
children?
5 baby mother, 4 girl and 2 boy.
So one. So you get the first baby mother at 17.
17.
So how much?
Second one at 19.
The same baby
Third
mother?
one at 21. That's 3 baby mother.
They can play cash back by with them
Yeah.
dog body, you know?
That's
Supreme
how it think
Ventures, you see
that's
what
how
I
it
got?
Step up, you know?
Eh?
Yeah. Yeah, man.
But yeah.
That's how it think I step up.
So what are they? That's step up for real. What are they? So 17,
Yeah.
you get your first daughter.
Yeah.
And then
19. Get the second. 21. Get the third.
Oh, so it's like a skip. You skip
Stage
a
by
year.
stage, yeah.
Oh.
2 years apart.
And how much baby mother is that again?
5 baby mother. Yeah, man.
So this was before you became blind.
Yeah, all of this was before. My last baby mother, I met her when I blind, you know. She give me a youth, but I met her with a youth.
Yeah.
When I take care of her from my 8 months. He's 10-year-old now. He call me daddy, I do everything for him same way. He don't have a father, you see me. I
Wow.
have him from my 8 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'm 10 now. Send him go to school and buy him uniform and pay him school fee and, you know. Yeah, and them little thing there.
Whoa.
Until my little one come in play, my little daughter. Big up to Celine. She's 8-year-old, this 26th of June. She's become 8-year-old. You see what I say? So everybody does 2 years apart. You know? I don't know how it works, so but everybody does 2 years apart.
So you said the girls them love you?
Yeah man, the girls them love me like that, man. Big up to the Master Mac family, them out of Stony, you know. Yeah man, big up Laverne, yeah, big up. Big up Nelson them family, you know. Big up whole Nelson family them. Yeah man, Laverne, big up yourself, you know, girl, enough love. Vicky, you know the things there, you know. All of my security friends, man, the girl them love me bad. Yeah man, bad. I'm give thanks for that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Show me the love, man. Right, them sister, man, I go the out. Big up to all of my baby mother them. Tanis, big up. 2 Marie, big up. I have 2 Marie.
2 Marie?
Yeah.
Oh, man. What's your life to the about, brother? Eh?
Yeah.
No, but
2
your life
Marie,
to
you
the
see me?
about.
Yeah, man,
So-
Benny, big up yourself, you know, girl.
So you're a superstar from birth then?
Yeah, man, from birth, man.
Oh, okay.
From birth, me a superstar, man, you know. I take it to the world, you know. People might hear the real thing, you know, the real culture hero, you know. Yeah, man.
So, alright. So guide me now to the part where you got the influence.
Stick up in. I saw me get the name Bonner too, you know. Yeah, because, trust me, I never used to have a look girl, you know. 1 and 2 times, yeah, me have me lost. But girl just come in, just run in, you see me, and say, yeah.
So you was the original Bonner man then?
Yeah, the original Bonner,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay. You said that with pride.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Proud to say that, man, you know.
Okay.
And the girl, them love the name too.
Ladies, you hear that? Ladies, you know hear that? You
Girl,
hear
them
that
love the
out
name.
there?
Yeah, man, the girl, them love the name, man. You know? Yeah, so we just a build upon it, you know, we love it, man.
Okay, so it's culture hero,
Yeah,
aka Bonner.
Bonner.
Alright.
Righteous.
Alright.
Righteous, Rasta. That's what it is, man.
Speaking of culture hero,
Yeah, man.
how you get the name culture hero?
Well, you know what I say, to be frank with you, you know, go on studio down on Manning Hill Road, you know. Don't write a price right there, so.
Yeah.
Right,
What's the name? You know the name of the studio?
I forget the name, you know. Over with now 1 yard, so my house used to there.
Yeah.
I go there, I buy 2 songs, and the person I buy, you know. Twins have twins come there, you know, and hear me advice and say to me, say, well, your advice, man. I say, yeah, man, advice, 2 songs, my advice. I say, first advice, and I say, yeah, man. I say, yeah, bad artist, then advice 2 songs 1 time. You know? And I say, you sound rebellious, though. I give you a name still, you know, rebel hero, you know.
Yeah.
So I did a work with it for a while, and the next person come to me and say, bueno, I know to the song them I sing, you know, culture hero you name, you know. So me look into it now, I say, yeah. I tell me I do be culture music. I say, yeah, that sound good. So me hold on upon it now and run with it.
Yeah.
Get it ready, stand, everything alright, you know. Yeah, so my name, see no. But they're not supposed to have the name, the culture hero.
Alright. And
Yeah, man.
which year you say you got inspired to do music and what really inspired
2006, you know.
you? Yeah.
2006, me used to sing like, I used to sing before, you know, like Sanchez and Wayne Wonder, and, you know. Me used to love, you know, them look at thing there. So one night time now, I said, but when I must can do something myself, like how I sing what other artists song. When I must can do something myself, so I try get a pen and paper one day and put something together and, you know, do a song named Mama Don't Cry.
That was your first song you wrote?
That was my first song.
You remember it?
Yeah, man.
Sing it, make me hear now.
Mama don't cry, I soon come with the money. Find a hit song and get airplay already. Big up Tamara, Crystal and Nikki. Want do a thing but right now. Mama don't cry, I soon come with the money. Find a hit song and get airplay already. Big up Tamara, Crystal and Nikki. Want do a thing but right now. The youth them a suffer. Want lift them out of the gutter. Suffer. Enough time me can't even utter. Enough time man a eat dumpling and butter. Find a hit song. Try to make the money no far. Anywhere they go let me a go for. Mama don't cry. I'ma do that song there and why sit on.
And this was before the incident?
Yeah.
Alright.
This was before the incident.
Yeah.
After that now, I realize say, lose one of my sight now. We do our next song and I say, put down the guns. Really want a new Jamaica. New Jamaica. So put down the guns. Really want a new Jamaica. Jamaica. Ah. So put down the guns them. Me want to get the youth some elevate out of the slum then. Do something to solve them. I run up and down and get themselves in a problem. Put down the guns them. Me want to get the youth some elevate out of the slum then. Do something to solve them. I run up and down and get themselves. Look how them a build more prison for no reason. Now it's not the time or the season. A time for you get yourself out of trouble. Beware of the things them a put before you. Mama, you put down the guns, put down the knife. Me used to meet in mackerel and rice. The real get a steak when it cook down nice. A time I go coming up for you start with eyes. Put down the guns them. That's my second tune, you know.
Wow. So the first two songs I made was
Yeah.
powerful, man. Powerful messages, righteous.
So me I work it, you know.
So
I
speaking.
realize say, you can't really do the thing so. I start capitalizing by a book now.
Yeah.
And get my pen and, you know, and start work now. And do my thing. Yeah, man. I have some song where you know, give me ear yet, man. I have some song right now.
So what on there? So what inspired for right to put on the gun? Was it the situation where you see I go on Jamaica? Or
Yeah, because the thing, depend on the level where, boy, if you talk to a man too hard, you know, that him I tell you same I go for, you know. See me? Yeah, man. And sometimes he even not tell you, just go and feed.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, I know how the things stay in a jam down. I have to know how I deal with people nowadays. Alright now, I love me saying, straight enough, G. Yard and abroad, local and international, you know? Yeah, man. When you preach love, man, you preach everything. And I realize that, you know? Love, man. And don't care how you bad, you supposed to can go to him and show him a vibe and say, yo, where you know? No one time with that, you know? Hold on upon this. You see me? I'm going to put them that little bit. Just hold on upon this, man, and go and hold it. You see me? I say, change up the vibe, so. And some want the thing work, you know? One can go in and up look a community and see all of the youth them where I try to, you know? Deal with the murder and deal with the gun and, you know? Yeah. Well, if you can tell them, if you can talk to the youth, them it's better, you know? Enough of them reason with already, you know, them listen to me, you know? And then come back and then give me all the 5 billion and say, Bona, you are the man where I have to look up to, you know, because you try to show me certain runnings and you're not telling me nothing wrong. You know? Yeah, upliftment, yeah, I say. Yeah, you can't come here with no fake talk and no bandolo talk or nothing what I don't want to hear, I'm going to tell you, man. I don't need that one, not negative, you know?
Yeah.
So we always have to keep the thing righteous.
So during those times when you discovered you have the natural talent to do music and you write the first 2 songs, you perform at any event during
Yeah,
those
man.
times?
The performer, like,
And what was the reception of the people?
it was good. It was good. I perform at up by Soldier Camp.
Yeah.
I perform at Roots FM Road Show.
Wow.
Back to school, yeah man. Big up to Roots FM. Interview Culture Hero too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, Sun City
Big
Radio,
up
big
Roots
up.
FM. Big up Sun City too.
Yeah, yeah man.
Wow.
Interview Culture Hero man, you know what I mean? I'm playing my tune them, you know?
Yeah.
Give thanks to the greatness man. And right now, the thing they're on a different level, you know where. Thing I go alright, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
But hold on there. After, alright, when did it become like really professional? Was it after the 3rd song, the 4th song? Because I noticed you have 2 music videos already out.
Alright.
A lot of people don't know that you've been doing music for a long time.
Yeah, it's just a little bridge, you know, because him love what me I do and big up to Sanchi P. Yeah man, big him up. That him do the first video for me, you know. And put out in and Roots FM seat, you know. And get in touch with me, you know. So I get a 1 hour interview at Roots FM. Big up the nice lady that I don't forget, I don't remember her name, but you know, big up to her, you know. Yeah, man. DJ String, big up, you know. Them man, they put me on stage and give me mic and say, sing for the world. Yeah, man. Big up to DJ String. Yeah, man. It's a blessing and a joy, my friend. Yeah, man. Mr. Dudley Thompson. Now I left you out, you know. Yeah, I'm a general, man. Blessings.
So the label that produced.
Yeah, man.
So the first two, the two music video. I see that you have an album already out there?
Yeah, I have an album, but it's just recently. Alright, before you get to this, that music video, the way you see there,
Yeah.
the first music video, the Virgin helped me, and that's why I have to big up Santi because I made the thing possible from this song.
Yeah.
At them time, they never have a manager and them look thing. It's just him, a video, some look thing, and you know, I try to get me out in the world and the people get to know me, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and show the people them say, yeah, Culture Hero is here and him can do the work.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So give thanks to him, you know.
Yeah.
So from this on now, I start work and I put in the work and put in the work and put in the work until 3 years about, well, that is 2019. 2019, we meet this virgin in Paris. And then I say, yo, you have a song that I like, you know, I want to go home, you know. I want it, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, I advise the song already for my cousin when named Belly. In pass on, big up to Belly, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have to get the rhythm, remix and do over back the song and do it back with the General Paris now. So I have a manager, you know, where I manage the thing from 3 years back, 4 years back now. Yeah, so from there, so I started the thing from a different level now.
Okay.
Do some official video and song a voice and mix and master, and, you know? Yeah. Get me up studio where I can go voice my thing them and you know what I mean? So the thing gradually I change up.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, man.
so it's safe to say the same year that you discovered the talent to write music and also to perform it,
Yeah.
was the same year you went through the situation.
Yeah. No, that was before.
Before.
When I do the performance,
Yeah.
big up to Big Stone, because I win an award, you know,
Yeah.
out of Mountain View Skateland, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Big up to Big Stone, Busy and Ratty, you know.
Yeah.
Mass up, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Big up them, man, there. Win a first place award out there, so. Big up the whole of Mountain View, man. Skateland, big up. Win what do it. Culture Hero, they alive, you know. Yeah, man. Enough respect. Win a first place award out there, you see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, right now, wow, 2014. I win that award out of Mountain View there. Yeah, man. Big up to TVJ Rollout. Yeah, man, come and go roll it out of TVJ too, you know. Wicked, you know. That's what I done, you know. Everybody want to hug me up in the studio, you know. Yeah, man. Big up to all of them people, them. We got the year too, you know, because good look time. When we were about 2014, 2015, at them time. Yeah. Yeah, so I think I go on and Culture Hero at Chadan. Still I put in some great work, you know.
Yeah, but guide us through them devastating moments.
Yeah, man.
Guide us from when you start the music to when the situation if you don't have a problem talking about it.
Well, the music kind of put me on a different level where I have to think about not even blindness, you know. You know, music take a whole heap of negative things out of my mind, you know. So I just take it to the music serious because I say, yeah, it can work and it can work and, you know, everything I work in my favor, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I just want the rest of the world to just know who is Culture Hero, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. But don't forget, you know, when you see the video, you know, don't forget to subscribe and share, you know. Comment, you see what I say? Yeah, man, because Culture Hero, they alive in the building, man. Ah, sell out, and I'm a friend them. One up of them, I sell me out. Yeah, man, if you want to hear more, you have to go check that out, you know, my G. Yeah, man, check out Culture Hero thing, them, man. But they're on all the platforms, you know. Yeah, man.
So what
Thing
new
rise up, you know.
what new music can the world expect from you?
Yeah, I have some great songs come out right now. I have release a new album recently, you know.
Hold on there, before we go this sir.
Yeah.
Right? What was the reception? How you felt when you found out that the song that you sing in front of Mac, Supermarket, right?
Yeah.
Now Stony Hill, right? How you felt when you found out that your song went viral on the TikTok platform?
Plant it up on the yard more time and not the market. So I mark it. All the liberty hard more time. You want to drink this shit and smoke it. Plant it up on the yard. The government is stepping. The movement and your freedom. No youth from my rising. Them need a work to get an income. Too much crime and violence. Yes, them catch the symptom. But me know them find it rough. And now we are just alone. Still have to walk it. Who am marking? All the liberty hard. No time we want drink it and smoke it. Plant it up on the yard. More time and I'll be walking. Who am marking? All the liberty hard. More time we want drink it and smoke it. Plant it up on the yard. I beg the youth them to rise up. We no fear the long gully line. Man a fi big up the Gaza. Cartel like Christ the gully sign. Bounty killer say people dead. Another one say Jah a gun. But me know him pass and gone. And now we and Jah alone still a fi walking. Go a market. God the liberty hard more time me want. And smoke it, plant it up on me yard, more time and I fi walk it, go a market. I deliver it yard, more time me want. And smoke it, plant it up. Yeah, because me know me always I do some good song, you know, and the virgin just come there and say artist want a video, you know. And say more you do that song, so me start do the song now and you know, and him come give me a link and say, yo, song gone viral, you know. Why you do the video and you know, and go voice the song in the studio now. So I say, alright then, I work with you and see what can go on then. So from there, so I take it from there.
Yeah, because it went viral on Rock Shop Entertainment.
Yeah man.
Page.
Yeah, because I have other video on TikTok, you know, 31,000. 27,000. Yeah man. Just go Christopher right on TikTok man and you see them. Yeah man, them dead man. Yeah man.
But this song seems to be the crowd's favorite.
Yeah, this songs, the crowd love it man. The crowd love it man. Bad man, I tell you say, the crowd love it because let me tell you, anytime you touch the road, you know, that song that them are singing, you know. It's if I once then see me. That song that them are singing.
What's the correct name of the song? Because some people call it Market.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, man. Well, I never build the title
Some
yet,
people
but
call it Walk It.
yeah, I never really build the title yet. But just do the song and just have the song and I sing the song and, you know, people just gradually take on to it and it'll work, you know. More time and I fi walk it, go and market. Cause the liberty hard, more time me want drink it and smoke it. Plant it up on me yard, more time and I fi walk it, go and market. Cause the liberty hard, more time me want drink it and smoke it. Plant it up on me yard. The government need to step in, implement a new freedom. But no youth from my rising. Them need a work to get a income. Too much crime and violence. Yes, them catch the symptom. But me know them have it rough. And now we and Jah alone still have to walk it. Go a market. Cause the liberty hard, more time me want drink it and smoke it. Plant it up on me yard, more time and have to go a market. Cause the liberty hard, more time me want drink it and smoke it. Plant it up on me yard. Yeah man, the people love it man. Them love how me structure it, you know, them love how me, you know, the voice and the rhythm put to it and, you know, it's just nice.
Yeah,
Just give you a fever where you never feel before. You know what I mean? Yeah man. That's the culture, that's the way our culture even do music. You have to feel my music, you know. You have to feel it run through your vein like blood, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Original.
Yes, I.
Yeah.
Original.
Speaking of originality, what do you think about the dancehall music and the kind of reggae music that is being played on the radio right now compared to the years, your generation?
Well, they might take on to the reggae good and they might take on to the dancehall good. You know? Yeah, but the gospel too, I might take on to the gospel them very well too.
You sing gospel too?
Yeah, man.
Make we hear gospel.
I have a song where name when I sing off my blindness, People. I love when I go up on the internet and see that song there. Listen to that tune there.
The people them all over the world, all the alien them in a different universes want to hear the song live right now. They want to hear it from you. So give it to them.
See, we can catch back a line them because to me have a whole heap of song, it's like
We do have a library, but we do have a
yeah. So it has me pick up on a couple of the songs them, but it's up on the internet man and them go hear it man and them go see it and know that it's culture era.
Alright, so
Yeah.
so left that for exclusive.
Yeah, just leave that for next time.
Yeah.
Or I can get back the title of the song and I can sing it the right way or want the people to hear. You know what I mean? Right now, I mean, a moment, an interview moment, you know, where. But I love,
Yeah.
Yes, I love it, man.
And the world love it and the world,
The world love it,
love it too,
Yeah,
I appreciate
the
it.
world love it, Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Cause they leave it hard,
Yeah.
No, me leave it hard. No, me leave it hard. Ooh. You know me leave it hard. Hard it hard. Ah. Me know me leave it hard. Yes, me know me leave it hard. Boy. Me know me leave it hard. Hard it hard. Me reach halfway and me not turn back. No youth promise me and gunshot. Me don't chat. No say me leave it hard. Hard it hard. Enough time me feel left me heart a beat. More time me can't even touch the street. Rain a fall, the house a leak. Hard it hard. Come more time me can't even hold a seat. No food we eat, no bed we sleep. Me have a one girl a cheat. Hard it hard. Ah. So me know me leave it hard. Me know me leave it hard. Oh, I. Me know me leave it hard. Hard it hard. Ah. Yes, me know me leave it hard. Me know me leave it hard. Oh, I. Me know me leave it hard. Hard it hard. Yeah, man. Look out for them tune, man. You know what I mean? Look out for the album that released already, Cultural Slackness by Culture Hero. Don't forget, Cultural Slackness by Culture Hero. When you check out the album, yeah, man. The thing not normal, man. Just check it out for me now, please. Yeah, man. Check out the album, the Rasta. The thing not normal right now. Right now, I have a couple songs advice right now. I have 14 track advice right now. So, we always work on music. Yeah, always I put in the work. Yeah, man. Always I put in the work, I give thanks. Give thanks, Rasta, for the strength. And give thanks to the Most High, Make the thing possible, And without the strength, the thing can't go. You know what I mean? I read that down, say. Yeah. I give thanks to Father God. Present the Rasta. Make the thing possible, Rasta. Trust me. Big up to RB record, Yeah, man. Big up to RB record, RB record. Oh. Hold on, man. Yeah, man. Enough respect and love.
If you have a positive message to tell people of Jamaica, especially people who are going through struggling times right now, what would you have to say to them?
As I can tell you, how day when my virgin check me and say, Bona, man buy me a drinking and buy me smokings and, and buy me a little thing and sit me down and say, Bona, you make me not kill myself already. And I say, why? I say, because you see the struggle me I go through and see the fight and, and see everything where happen, I take place around me in my circle. You know what I mean? So, that caused it for him did want to go do it. The man said when him look and see how I angle myself and regardless of the struggle and the fight and, you know. Yeah, I still have gone and I still have do my little thing and I still have do my little hustle in the street. Still I sing my little music and the man said that make him change his mind, you know. I'm sitting down and reason with him, you know, and make him know what go on, you know. Because it's not easy, you know. It's not easy when you lose your sight, it's not a nice journey. Yeah, not an easy thing, you know. People can't get anything to eat and anything to drink. You know, you can just drink out of a cup and put it down and you realize it's all a roach in it and you understand. So you have to know the levels, you know. The thing is normal. You see what I say? You have to know, man. It's not an easy journey, man. Trust me. Not an easy journey. So I just try to keep myself strong and so you see me I talk happy and nice and you know. Just me, I have to try to uplift myself and try to motivate myself with the people that are around me and big up to Tutti and Jelani, you know. Kedish, big up yourself, big up my brother Norris and thing. Yeah man, Auntie J, you know. And people there, big them up Rasta. Yeah man, you have to big up the people them way. Mello, now left you out in the sofa, big up. Yeah man. People that left me out Rasta if I even could dinner, you know, they might call me and give me that, you know. And I do it off of the goodness of them heart because they know the culture hero. When culture hero was the dip on him foot, you know, the right way, thing did nice, you know what I mean? Yes, so I'm look out for me, I'm give thanks, you know. Give thanks, man. Give thanks, man. And, you know, me just give thanks. That's that. You have to just give thanks. I know it could have worse and enough people there were worse than me and thing. And when I hear one as a culture, enough people can walk in their shoes, you know. You know? I know the levels, I know when I go through, we reach these levels, you know what I mean? And we hear one if you come to me and I tell me that as a culture, he's a motivator, you know? Yeah man, you build up enough youth confident and show them so they not to give up on them hopes, them dream and them vision, you know? Yeah man, I'm still be at my little nuts and them little thing there. Yeah. Put me on a pot of nuts, I bake it. Because that thing I do from school days and you know when fit time I have a little nuts. I go sell for my mother and thing. Send me back to school because you don't know I hate away, you know. And it's never easy. You send 8 children to school. You know? Never easy and a farming alone you have to live off. Send you them to school. Never hungry still, you know. But it's just the funding to go to school and financial part, you know what I mean? Never did it. But I give thanks to them for the power where them carry me, you know? I can manage off my own, you know what I mean? Give thanks, because you have to give thanks to the parents, them, you know? Brought you up nice and I never becomes a gunman and thief and you understand? Yeah, I never choose a lane there. Like say when I used to muggle with the thing them, you know, we used to have it, you know. Yeah, but whenever they choose certain road and certain thing, whenever they have to kill nobody and go rob nobody and, you know, with them good trade and things, so. I never have to take it to that level. So I say. So I give thanks, man. I give thanks to the support, the people that are giving me the music right now. Big up the TikTok family, my YouTube family, my Facebook. Yeah, man. Big up the rest of family, them platform family, them where I look out for culture hero, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Big up Rocky Valley too, you know, I'm not left no out. Stone Hill, Pinter, yeah, man. All the Parks Road, you know. Yeah, man. Big up the whole of West Kingston. Jamaica, matter of fact, you don't know. Yard and abroad, you see me? That's the thing, man, because the thing is normal right now. Local and international. This one I say, J. Yes, I. Give thanks to the support, man. Give thanks, Rasta.